He did this and in 15 days had white teeth. It's a magic recipe. Everyone wants to have a perfect smile, since most of the times it can help you leave a good impression. That's why we all want clean, white teeth. We present a homemade recipe that will help you to whiten your teeth. You do not need expensive treatments. With this effective, simple and powerful recipe you will achieve great results and your teeth will look incredible. You probably already have these ingredients in your house: apple and cumin. Yes, you heard right, just apple and cumin. In order to achieve better results, it is necessary to follow these steps. 1. In a bowl, add a spoonful of cumin. 2. Cut the apple in half and squeeze the juice. 3. Combine cumin and apple. 4. Take a napkin. 5. Use the napkin to take some of the mixture and rub it on each tooth. 6. Wait for 2 minutes. 7. Then you should rinse your teeth and the result will be amazing. Take a look at your teeth and enjoy the view. It is very important to remember that you should not do this treatment very often, as it can destroy the enamel of your teeth. This is an awesome trick, and in order to have healthy white teeth, so you should do it from time to time.